So, ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome. So, let's look at another question from mathematics first UTME first question paper. The question says find the value of x if root 2 divided by x plus root 2 is equal to 1 all over x minus root 2. And these are the options. So now we are now going to say solution. So we are now going to take our equation. So we have root 2 divided by x plus root 2 is equal to 1 all over x minus root 2. So what is the first thing that we are going to do here? We have the equation, so we have to check the equation first. After we do that, we are now going to cross multiply. This one time this is equal to this one times this. Therefore, we now have root 2 into x minus root 2 is equal to 1 into x plus root 2. That is the first thing that we are going to do. So now we are going to open this bracket. So this time this we have x root 2 minus root 2 times root 2 we have is equal to 1 times x, we have x, plus 1 times root 2, we have root 2. So this is what we have. So what are we going to do the next? We are going to collect the like term. Therefore, we are now going to have x root 2. This one will now change to this side. So we have minus x is equal to, we have this root 2 already here, and then this 2 will transfer to this side we have. Therefore, we are now going to have plus 2. So what are we going to do next? We can now factorize x here. So we can now say x into root 2 minus 1 is equal to, here we can even decide to factorize. Okay, we can't factorize anything here. So we have root 2 plus 2. Therefore, at the end, we are now going to divide this by both. We are going to divide this. So we now have root 2 minus 1. Here, we also have root 2 minus 1. So therefore, this will now cancel this. Then at the end, we now have x is equal to, we have root 2 plus 2 divided by root 2 minus 1. So, but we can rationalize this. We can rationalize this. So how are we going to rationalize it? So to rationalize this, we are now going to look at our denominator. Our denominator is root 2 minus 1. So we are going to take the positive sign of this and multiply it. So therefore, to rationalize, we are now going to have root 2 plus 2 divided by root 2 minus 1. So then we are now going to rationalize. So this is minus. So we are going to take this, the same term, but with positive sign. So we are going to multiply it both in the numerator and the numerator. So we have root 2 minus 1 divided by, plus 1 divided by root 2 plus 1. So what are we going to do? We are now going to rationalize. So how are we going to rationalize? We are now going to say root 2 times root 2 is going to give us 2. Root 2 times 1, so is plus. So root 2 times 1, we have root 2. Then we now have this, we now finish with multiplying this through this. Then the next thing we are now going to take this. So 2 times root 2, we have plus 2 root, we have plus 2, root 2, plus 2 times 1, we have plus 2. Then divided by root 2 times root 2 is going to give us 2, plus root 2 times 1 is going to give us root 2. Then we now have minus. So minus 1 times root 2, we are now going to have minus root 2. So we have minus 1 times plus 1. We are now going to have minus 1 again. So therefore, what we are going to do here, we are now going to take, okay, this is root 2 plus 2 root 2 is going to give us 3 root 2. Then we have 2 plus 2 is going to give us plus 4 divided by root 2 minus root 2. This one will cancel this. Then we have plus 2 minus 1 is going to give us 1. So therefore, at the end, we are now going to have 3 root 2 plus 4 to be the answer. So do we have 3 root 2 plus 4? Yes, we have 3 root 2 plus 4 as option E. So this is going to be the correct answer. So ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to follow Science Academy by Mukhtar on my YouTube channel. So thank you very much and see you in the next video.